Welcome to Mr. Andy's review of definitions related to the Steeple analysis, a valuable IB business tool for evaluating the external environment. A Steeple analysis is a tool businesses use to understand the external factors that could impact their decisions, like checking the weather before planning a picnic. What does Steeple stand for? Steeple stands for social, technological, economic, environmental, political, legal, and ethical factors. Basically, the outside world's greatest hits. What are social factors? Social factors include things like population size, lifestyle trends, and education levels. Basically, what's going on with people. What are technological factors? Technological factors involve new inventions and the latest science applied to business. Think robots, apps, and all things digital. What are economic factors? Economic factors include stuff like inflation, unemployment, interest rates, and GDP, aka the money side of the story. What are environmental factors? Environmental factors deal with nature and how it's affected by human activity, like climate, wildlife, and pollution. What are political factors? Political factors cover government type, stability, and policies on things like trade and taxes. Think: who's in charge and what rules they're making. What are legal factors? Legal factors include laws that affect business behavior, like safety rules, employee rights, or consumer protections. Yep, the fine print matters. What are ethical factors? Ethical factors are about doing what's right, not just what's profitable, kind of like having a business conscience. The following slides will elaborate on various economic factors. What is a recession? A recession is when a country's economy shrinks for 6 months straight. Basically, it's the economy's version of a slump. What is an exchange rate? An exchange rate is how much one currency is worth compared to another, like trading dollars for euros on a vacation. What is unemployment? Unemployment is the number of people who want a job and can work but can't find one, aka too many resumes, not enough jobs. What is GDP? GDP, gross domestic product, is the total value of everything a country makes and sells in a set time, like a country's financial report card. What is inflation? Inflation is the rate at which prices go up in an economy, basically when your money buys less than it used to. What is fiscal policy? Fiscal policy is how the government uses taxes and spending to influence the economy, kind of like adjusting the money thermostat. What is monetary policy? Monetary policy is when the government changes interest rates or money supply to guide the economy, basically, money management on a national scale. What is economic growth? Economic growth is when a country's economy produces more stuff and gets richer. Everyone loves a growing pie.